I'm going to show you how to fix dispatch issue. So let's start. Now for the first step, you should go to the Windows taskbar, right click and select Task Manager. Now from here, go to the search and type in the launcher that you have the game on. If you do find it running in the background, select it, right click and then click on in task. Now for the next step, go to the search and type in NVIDIA app. If you do have an AMD graphics card, you should open the AMD app. Once done, make sure to sign up and log in with your right credentials. After that, go to the left menu and select settings. Now make sure to turn off the NVIDIA overlay. After that, go to drivers in the left menu and select download or install button appearing right here. Now choose between customer express installation and click on continue in order to initiate the process. Next, go to the search again, type in device manager, open that. It will pop up like this. Look for display adapters, open that. After that, make sure to select your graphics card, which is either AMD or NVIDIA. Do not select the first one. Right click and select update driver. Now click on search automatically for drivers and click on close. Now for the next step, go to the Windows icon appearing in the Windows taskbar. After that, look for settings. Once this pop up, go to the left menu and select Windows Update. And from here, you need to make sure that you have downloaded and installed all the latest Windows updates. So click on this install all button. If you do have any failed updates, make sure to select retry all. Just wait for that to install. Now for the next step, go open your launcher. Now when it opens, go top left corner and select the view option. After that, click on library. From here, go to the left menu and search for your dispatch game. If you do find it, select this gear icon. After that, click on properties. Now this window will pop up, so go to install files in the left menu and click on verify integrity of game files. That way any corrupted or missing file that is responsible for dispatch game issue that you have will be automatically fixed. After that finished, go to general. After that, go to launch options and type in -DX11. Now you should be good to go. For the last step, go to the Windows icon and make sure to restart your computer and your issue should be fixed. If you find this video is helpful, consider like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.